Potato salad is one of the ultimate sides for grilling and barbecue. Today we're going to amp it up with Korean flavors. Last week I made a Korean style grilled ribeye, and we're going to make this potato salad to go with that dish. So if you missed last week's video, go check that out. Otherwise, stay tuned and let's get ready to rock. What's shaking, guys? I'm Brad Pros. You're probably here for new ideas about grilling or barbecue. If that's you, please click subscribe below and let's get into it. Today, kimchi and gochujang potato salad. We're bringing the Korean heat, the funky flavors of kimchi into one of my favorite side dishes. We're going to talk about two of the main ingredients that you're going to use in this dish that are staples in Korean food, kimchi and gochujang. Both are delicious. Now, kimchi, you can see that we go through a lot of this. This is a fermented cabbage. It's probably mostly liquid left in this jar because I'm using a lot for this recipe. And it's got this spicy, funky heat. It almost has this umami flavor of like smoked barbecue, and that's why it goes so well with barbecue. The next ingredient is gochujang. It's a fermented chili paste. We go through a lot of this too. This is kind of a secret ingredient in a lot of my barbecue recipes. It's really thick, thicker than molasses. Depending on which one you get, it might vary in the heat and the temperature that you have, so you want to be careful and probably not get the extra hot right off the bat. Trust me. Oh man, that's spicy. All right, let's go boil the potatoes and put all this together. Alright guys, I have the kimchi potato salad right here. We've got kimchi, it's a gochujang mayo, all the delicious vegetables in here, red onions, scallions, there's garlic. I just can't wait to bite into this. Aside from the fact that gochujang mayo is like the best thing on the planet, all these crunchy vegetables in here just pair so well with those creamy Yukon gold potatoes. The crispy, funky bites of the kimchi is so exciting, and every bite just makes you drool. You're just craving for more. This is pretty much like a meal on its own. If you haven't checked out the Korean Grilled Ribeye, go check that out on last week's video. This is definitely a must and goes with just about anything barbecue. So give it a try and come back. Thanks for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed that we did two Korean-inspired recipes back to back. Comment below, let me know what you'd like to see next time, and cheers.